Welcome. If you're looking to enable message sending for your Telegram group on PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few easy steps, you can give your group members the ability to send messages and keep the conversation flowing. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left and find the group where you're an admin. Click on the group to open it. Now, look to the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control how your group operates. Inside the management menu, find and click on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of actions that members are allowed or not allowed to do. Look for the option labeled Send Messages. If it's currently disabled, simply toggle it on to enable it. This change will allow all members of your group to send messages, making your group interactive and lively once again. After you've enabled the Send Messages permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This step is important to make sure your changes take effect. Once saved, your group members will immediately be able to send messages in the chat. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've updated your group's permissions and opened up the conversation for everyone. Whether you're running a community, a study group, or just chatting with friends, these steps ensure your Telegram group stays active and connected. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need a hand managing their Telegram groups. Stay connected and enjoy your group chats.